Good day, my wonderful YouTube family. You're welcome back to our YouTube channel, and to our new subscribers, you are welcome. In today's video, I will be teaching you the step-by-step guide on how to grow and harvest yams in sacks. But the videos are going to be in three parts. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the planting process. The next video, I'll be teaching you the growing process, and the third one will be the harvesting process. Do you know that you can grow yams in sacks even with limited space? Imagine harvesting your own fresh yams right at home. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of cultivating your own yams in sacks successfully. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more organic farming tips. February and March is the best time to start planting your yams here in Nigeria. If you are ready to grow your healthy yams in sacks, watch till the end. The first step is to get your sacks. Ensure to get a strong and breathable sacks like rice sack, cement sack, or woven poly bags. They are preferable for this purpose. The next step is to get your soil. Loamy soil is preferable for this purpose. Soil is the foundation of organic sack farming. Mix the loamy soil with compost and organic matter. Make sure that you mix your soil very well, that everything will combine together well, the way it's being mixed in this video. And after mixing your soil thoroughly, the next step is to fill your sacks with the mixed soil to the brim to give you big yams during harvest. If you don't fill your sacks with soil to the brim, your yam tubers will be restricted during its growing period. The next step is to plant your yams. Make sure you select healthy yam sets with at least one sprout. We planted 3 different sets of yams, which is the mini set, the yam head, and the seed yam. To plant your yam, make a hole at the middle of the soil about 10 to 15 centimeter deep and plant the yam set with the sprout facing upward. Then cover the yam set with soil. Water your yam after planting. In our next video, I will teach you the growth timeline, the watering, and the caring process. Thank you for watching, and watch out for part 2. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more organic tips. Take charge. Bye-bye. Mini set is planted to get seed yam.